I got something else, guys. What's going on? What's going strong? What's going wrong? It is
It's the chef.
Cooking up another one. This one's in Sanaya, the cinnamon kitten. You know. Woo. I just love the engine braking. I'm not even on the brake right now. All right, yeah. So, in this video, I am going to unbox the thing that you put into your sim rig that makes your sim rig more immersive. See, I got started in the sim racing thing after I got started driving real cars. So I don't know how y'all feel that, that the front isn't gripping or that I don't know how it works, but Next Level Racing was kind enough to send over an HF8 or the Haptic Feedback 8, I guess, whatever. It's a pad that goes onto the seat and it allows you to feel the way that a real car feels. Is that a motorcycle behind me? I don't know. But I'm excited for this. I've had some experience with it, but now they've got new software. So instead of just like, you know, having the problem of needing to grab, what was it, Sim Hub? I can just, oh, sorry, hold on. Come on now. But instead of using Sim Hub, I can use their stuff now. But anyway, I'ma just, I guess, yeah. I see you in the studio. I see you upstairs, man. The HF8. The HF8 is a very interesting device. You know about the butt kicker? It's like this big expensive thing. You can get a few of them and it makes your seat vibrate and stuff, and it gives you a more realistic feel. Well, this is a less expensive version of the same concept. Basically, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different zones that are all representative of different things that would happen in the car. Like if you accelerate forward, what would you feel? And if you were to misshift, what would you feel? If you're braking hard, where would you feel that? So you have the ability to kind of modify and modulate which one of these go off at whatever time. Now, they had a software program before and it wasn't the greatest, but now they've updated their software. So not in this video, but in another video, I will show you how to download the most recent version of their HF8 software, so you don't have to use SimLab, which is what Sim Hub, which is what I've been using to use this on the other rig. This is not an update or anything like that. This is just like, I never did an unboxing before, so here you go. All right. Open this bad girl up, and this is gonna be one of the most simple unboxings I ever do ever. Why? Because Next Level Racing makes everything super simple. 2 pieces, this thing gone. Oh no! So sorry. Oh God. Oh, that was bad. Let's try throwing this thing again. Just somewhere completely different than the camera. All right, first things first, I actually want to open up this box because I kind of know what that is. It's the seat, or rather it's the thing that you put your butt in. Too much headroom. When I brought the camera crashing down, you know. All right, so I've got, oh, there we go. So a bunch of different kinds of ways to get power, and then you've got the US version of it already applied. You can just push the button to remove, and that's literally everything that's inside of that box. I told you this thing is simple. Okay, get that out of here. All right, this part's the fun part. I'll just get this out the way. I don't really need this on here. We already know that that's power. All right, and then we'll pull this out of the plastic. Oh, wait, sorry, one last thing. This is a big book. Wow. This is a gigantic instruction manual. I have not seen an instruction manual like this in years. I mean, obviously it's in all the languages, all the different languages. You can actually see all the different languages and stuff and such. But let's see how much of this is actually in just English. Oh, it's literally just 12 pages. Yeah, it's, well, 13 pages. It's 13 pages of English, and that's fine, because this is, you know, very, but man, in every single language, I give them props, because I have not seen this in ever. Like, my gosh. All right, Ziploc bag. We know I love Ziploc bags, okay? You can use that for anything. Okay, now we got straps. Straps. We've got cables. Now, the cool thing about this device is that you've got a couple of different input methods, right? So you can either plug this thing directly into your computer. Where is this? There we go. Plug this thing directly into your computer, USB, and then you just download the software and you're good to go, right? You can plug in a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and you could listen to stuff. Is that how that works? And you've also got the ability to plug this into 3.5. I think that's how that works. I might have just lied. Let's find out. So I'm going to go into the instruction manual and just be sure that what I just said was correct. All right, storing the product, whatever. So we've got these so yes, exactly. So headphone jack goes in here, then you plug headphone jack in here, USB go into computer, and you're good to go. Now, why would you care about like plugging this into, you know, a source of some sort, or plugging this in? Well, you care about this because then you're gonna get all of the sound into this device. Now, the thing is, if you're just using this as, let's say, to your computer, to your PC, then you don't really need any of this. In fact, I've never used either of these. I kind of just put one inside the other and then wrap this up together. But if you do decide that you want to use this with your PlayStation, for instance, so your PlayStation 5, your Xbox, your Switch, or whatever, you have the ability to plug this in and you can get sound coming through as feedback. So you can listen to music like Lo-Fi Girl or something, and you'd be able to feel this in the pad. The thing that I love the most about this, aside from the fact that it's pretty inexpensive for what it does, is it's really, really comfortable, right? So you put this on any seat and it just feels good. It feels comfortable. But underneath each of these spots, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, is a little vibration pad, right? So you're sitting literally on top of vibration pads. But as I touch it here, I don't even feel it. It's just a comfortable thing. It's already strapped up for you, so you just kind of get it over your seat, tighten it up as you need to, and then the bottom, do the same thing. You're tightening it up as you need to. It looks good, and it makes every seat that it goes into look better, in my opinion. I haven't really been able to say that for too many like seat cushions. This feels like a seat cushion, honestly. It feels like a seat cushion and makes seats feel better. I'm looking forward to putting this into my flight rig because, no offense, but actually no, the flight rig is actually pretty comfortable. It's not anywhere near as comfortable as, well, my racing sim rig, but then again, they were built differently. You know what I mean? That's all I got for you, I think. So what you're getting in this box, you got power, you got a thing that you plug USB. This is one of the simplest like installs ever, right? This gets plugged into this, which is just coming out of the same spot as the controller, and then you would give this thing power, and this is your controller, right? You push the button and it will light up for you, showing you that it is on. You can dial it up, dial it back, dial it up, dial it back, as you so choose to, and it kind of just keeps going around and around forever. So, you know, it'll, you know, once you get to the last part, like 0, or you get to 100, you'll just keep spinning, it won't do anything. All right, next video, I'm gonna put this into my flight rig, and like, I mean, that's really it, you know? If you like content like this, like, comment, and subscribe. By the way, hit me up and let me know how to get better at flying, because I'm not good at it. I'm just not. And there have been times I sweat really hard when I'm not happy. So as you could tell, I'm the Chef Boy, And the HF8, this is your recipe. I'm not saying butt kicker isn't good. I'm just saying costs less and it feels good. My God, that's a good recipe right there. Good recipe right there.